Do you know that the Kurdish word خوش has also become an English word? آیا ئەزانی کە وشەی کوردی خۆش بووە بە وشەی ئینگلیزیش? That's right, English has borrowed this word and it has become the word Cushy. This happened about 150 years ago, once again because of British soldiers learning this Persian and Kurdish word and beginning to use it. Today, Cushy is a word in English that we use for something that is very comfortable, soft, or easy. This is not the exact meaning that خوش has in Kurdish, but you can see how it is related. If someone has a very easy job that pays well, we might say they have a cushy job. Or if someone marries someone who is rich and moves to Dubai, we might say they have a cushy life. You can also use cushy for objects, like a very soft or comfortable couch or bed. You already know the word خوش, so now you can easily learn its English form, cushy.